Hey Sammie, what's the plan for today?
Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels. Yes, we'll try to have some more fun with Hot Wheels.
Yeah.
Hot Wheels. We got the box here with some Hot Wheels stuff.
And there is going to be a car right there.
Yeah, we'll try to build a truck.
Yes.
From there, from the kitchen to the garden and on the snow.
Yes.
Hot Wheels in the snow, that must be nice.
We're gonna try to make a snowman.
Okay, I hope we have enough snow to make a snowman.
At least a small one.
I think we can start Sammie from here.
Not from there.
From here. Actually, we can start here. We can try at least. That's what we're going to use.
Yes.
Oh,
But it's gonna go there.
I think here. Okay. Oh.
That would be cool.
Nice.
Let's go outside. Woohoo.
So you're gonna build a snowman, yeah? The snow is very nice because it's wet. It's not that cold anymore. We got it. We almost done. A little snowman. Cute.
Yes.
What he needs? Nose. Like that.
Snowman is ready.
Look at that. That's our complete snowman with Nerf gun.
Yes.
Ah, but there is one more thing. Look at that. We'll take this off. And truck will be go through the snowman.
Yes. It's cool.
We hope it's gonna work.
It must work, Daddy.
Let's build the rest of the truck. Oh, the Nerf gun is off, but we have a hat.
Yeah. Police.
Nice. Cool snowman. We have some new Hot Wheels cars. Oh, nice. Street beasts. Are you gonna be the first or the second? The first one. And you?
Yeah.
Oh, I gonna use this one. Ooh.
Cool.
Oh, it's broken, I guess.
No.
Yes, I gonna use it anyway. And Sammie wants to use the second one.
It looks like a fly.
Oh, actually yes. Okay, that's our truck. Let's finish here. We have one camera here. Our snowman. Snow patrol actually. We have this truck going here. Yep. Actually we have another camera here. Truck going right there. Wait a second. So the truck going under the table. And it's going to start here. Mommy, can you help us? You ready, Sammie?
Yes.
So your car will be first.
Okay.
Mommy gonna help us?
Ready?
I think so.
Okay.
Go.
Go!
Wah! Wonder. Yes! There is a car. Nice.
Can I go again?
Sure, but my car now. Okay, Mommy.
Okay. Go!
Wow, it jumped out! Didn't work! Did you see it? So you are the winner. I know. Probably this thing wasn't good. You are that happy, Sammie? Didn't work. You know what? Now we're gonna put all of them. That will be fun. 1, 2. Oh, it's gonna be fun, I think. Oh! In the meantime, look. Sammie started to learn Spanish. Sí es, buenos días,
Okay.
gracias. Wait a second. Go for it.
Okay. Go.
Nice work! Nice work!
Oh!
No, all of them are out.
Yeah, she has like it.
How? 2 colors.
Okay. Go.
Yes, one is here. Here. One finished, and the second one is here. Look. Nice.
As you see, guys, it's a lot of fun.
Yes, Daddy has a lot of fun with that.
Yeah, and click the like.
Sure, and click the bell.
Yeah, and bye-bye, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And watch us next time, and click the bell.
Sammie's upside down. How?
Click the bell. The icon should be like this.
Yes, it should look like that if you want to get notification, you know?